Hey folks, welcome back to Bama Performance and Vintage Chainsaws. This video's going to be a little bit different here because I'm having to do this and there ain't a whole lot of videos out there on how to do this, especially in the truck. So I figured I'd make one just to help somebody out. As y'all probably seen, the back window is taped up. Life happens, stuff happens, and it got busted. So I had to tape it up for a week. Just got the new glass in. Kind of had to do some internet searching to figure out how to do this, especially doing it in the truck. I'm gonna show you how I replace this glass here. So, bring you all up here. You ain't really gonna be able to see that now, are you? Ain't sure where my flashlight is, but if you look up in here where I'm pointing, right up here, there's a piece of plastic, it's a guide for the top of the glass. What you do is you start working it down, so like this, start pulling it down and out. There you go. This one's still got a little bit of glass off in it. So we'll use this, put it down in this here bag, make sure all of it's out. It's all out. Since the glass is already out, we're going to, let's see what I do with my screwdriver. We'll make sure this bottom is empty, so that way a new glass can go in there. Leave all of it's out. Yeah, it's all out. That's it. You want to make sure it's nice and clear so you can put your new glass in. And then you get your new glass. So I've set it out here in the front seat. Here it is, brand new. That's what it looks like. So what you're gonna do is, I'm gonna take it, I believe, set it down in your guide first. May have to go in the top first. Yeah, it's going to have to go up the top first. Like so. I'm going to work with me here. Not the easiest to do, especially in the truck. Set it up in your top groove. You should have just enough room to slide it down into place. Make sure your little tangs over here line up. Get it all the way down in there. Gonna take a little bit of doing. Like I said, this ain't the easiest to do in the truck. Most of the videos I seen was outside the truck. Just make sure she's all the way down there. That should be it. That should do it. Those got good contact. And you take your piece here and slide it back in. I believe it went like so. You're just going to have to, yeah, it goes like so. Take this guy, put back up in here. Supposed to go in this slot. You're gonna have to work it back and forth. Oh, it's not easy to do not being able to see this. Let's see if I can get a better angle on it. Sorry, I ain't got very good light in here. Come on. She ain't wanting to work very well enough with me now, is it? I had a little more glass fall out of it, not much though. But that's what you're gonna have to do. Let's see, yeah, it definitely went out like this. Make sure you get it in the right spot. There she goes. You can slide it back in there. Then you just slide it back up into place. And that should have it. It should be sealed all the way around. So those tabs line up with that guy. And I guess I could go turn the key on and make sure. That's what we'll do. So let me go grab the key and we'll check it out. All right, let's see how she does. I'm up here in front now, so let's see how she rolls. There she goes. So that works pretty well. She's a little loud, but yes, so that works pretty well. So yep, that's about it. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you don't mind, hit that like button. If you want to, hit that subscribe button. We got a lot to show here. It's mainly chainsaws, but sometimes we do repairs on cars, trucks. Yeah, anything else y'all want to see, y'all please let me know. And hope this helps somebody. And hope y'all have a great rest of your evening and a great rest of your week or weekend, whichever it may be when you're watching. Thanks, y'all. Bye.